Hi folks, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to explain how to register a vehicle number to our vehicle. So which is in three simple steps. So one is we have to select a number which is suitable to your name or your something anything. So you have to select one thing, and after that you have to book that number to your vehicle by you going to the RTO office. But for that we need to select book a slot. So that one also I will explain you. After that, getting book it to your number to your vehicle, so we have to go to the RC download app, so which is I will explain you. So because RC cards are nowadays coming too late, so they are delaying. That's the reason. So I will tell you. So first we need to go to the Mozilla Firefox, then only we can download the form. It's next we need to go for the registration sites. So when we are going to the Telangana registration site, so I'm going to explain to about the Telangana state only. So whenever you are, wherever you are in Telangana, you can download from here and you can work for here. So you can apply from here. So here if you come to right side corner, so if you can see here, click here for registration of special numbers. So if you want to know about the special numbers, you have to click on here. So you have so many options here, so don't worry about that. So it's a easy one only. User manual they will provide you, so not needed. So today what is the numbers are available and what are the numbers are registered, so those all details are clearly explained here. To see those numbers also you can easily find out. So I will show you how it will look like. So this is the number, so we have to enter the TR number and chassis number. So I will explain you where from it you will get from those numbers. So after that you will see red color, some numbers are red in color. So these are all registered reserved already, so some people has been taken. So only one number is removed from here, then only one number here 7020 is already done. So that means 7021 from tomorrow 7021 will start. So now at the bottom, the number will be new number will be going to add here. So, okay, so like that. So totally 100 numbers around per day. So which is these are the numbers, means if you are not able to reach to RTO office after 15 days of allocation of this number to you, then those numbers will come under these categories. So these numbers are not registered, or some people are not able to book to their vehicles, so those will come under this category. Let's see you show you the process. So here if you show see here, so 8 to 1, so this is the time period where you have to book the numbers. So after that, if you same person, two people are registered same number, then that cases you have to come to bidding process. But in this scenario, one critical situation is like, if one car, four wheeler and one two wheeler has selected the same number, then it will automatically given to the higher means four wheeler vehicles. There is a small problem here. So if you see here, some descriptions are given, say like 50,000 rupees we have to pay for some critical numbers, so like this 91 like that. So 30,000 rupees for so some special numbers, and 20,000 rupees for special numbers. So like that, the description they have provided each and every numbers details neatly. You can go for here. But the four wheeler has to pay 5,000 rupees initially, and two wheelers has to pay 2,000 rupees initially. So that's a mandatory thing. So if you comes under bidding, right, so they will provide some cutoff like you have to start from 5,000. So again you have to pay 5,000. After that, how much extra you will pay, that means decide to whom we have to give the number, not me, so the team. So next, if you click on this registration link, right, so it will ask for the which one we have to have TR number. So TR number we will select here. So once if you get the TR number and chassis number details, right, so you have to enter here. Automatically it will give the phone number. For me it is already registered, that's the reason it is not appearing here. So I will show you where the TR number and chassis numbers will be find out. So let's show you. So after found this document on your vehicles documents, right, so you can see here the TR number here on the top, so which is TS name started. And next, here if you come scroll down, in that you will find a chassis number. So this one, in the last five digits you have to select. So that's the two numbers important, and whatever the list of address they have provided here, so from the that area only you have to select the numbers. Okay, so that is a vehicle to be registered it. So okay, that's the main important. So you have to take over those documents to RTO office once the slot is booked. So when we have to book the slot means, I will show you. From here we have to book the slot. So from here left hand side you can see online transactions registration, and in that fresh registration slot booking. So come here and read out these things, and if you are not have any COVID symptoms, then it is good for us and good for them also. you have to enter the TR number, same chassis number, mobile number automatically come, and it will have to enter the OTP, and your details will come here, and you have to submit here. So the timings will be appear here, and you have to take a printout. Definitely you have to take a printout, so otherwise they will not allow you. So they need a hard copy. Along with this, you need to take a PAN card Xerox as well as Aadhaar card Xerox if safe side, and the documents, license, and everything you have to take with you. So these are the documents you along with you have to take. So be consider here. After that, you will get a message that that number has been registered successfully under your name. So after that, you will not get a RC card in short term, but it will take long term. So then you have to come to mobile app. So where that RC will download means this RTM wallet. You have to download the RTM wallet, and you have to fill up these details: name, email, and mobile. After that, second page you will come as RC details. So you have to enter the your original means whatever the number allocated to your vehicle, that number. Okay, so that is not a TR number, so it's a vehicle number. So you have to enter the vehicle number and chassis number, last 5 digits. So if you enter these details, you will get the RC number. So in the slot booking, right, if you go to the RTO office, what they will do, simply they will take your fingerprint and your photo. After that, they will pass the files to the next person, and they will check, and they will say okay. After that, you have to take out those documents and hand over to the outside one police officer will be there. So after that, they will pick up that documents. They will rub the pencil on the chassis number, so that number will appear on that paper. So after that, they will set, you can leave it. So then you can come outside. So if they ask for some money or anything, you can pay 100 or 200 rupees at the both places, or else you can come out. So it's a new vehicles, then it will be fine. So that's the simple method. So no need to ask any help, or anyone can come with you. So you can alone can go there, and you can do these all things. So I have already faced the same issues. I have alone gone, and I have taken these all steps, and simply I have came outside, and successfully I got the RC card. So that is the simple method. So you can follow the same steps. So if you like this video, please like and share the video. And if you like more videos like this, you can have to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.